So hi guys, my name is Rosny Dasilio Pradal and I am one of an EdTech trainee and I avail non-CPD2 program. So for today's video, I'm going to show you my demonstration on how to use my chosen EdTech tool, which is the quiz. So as all we know that EdTech help us to supervise with a step-by-step method on how to operate quizzes. Quiz is fully efficiently and effectively. So, and upon application, here it goes. So I'm going to show you how to use Quiz and what are the advantages of this tool. So first we have share screen and we're going to search Wayground. This is this one, the Quizzes family. So this tool, this is on Teacher AI and Resources. So first, I'm going to sign up for free for teachers. Continue with Google. So this is now the Wayground formerly quizzes. So here, you have here the assigned activities. So first, if yung teacher nyo ay may quizzes up and they send you a quizzes link for you to join, so you can enter the code here, and after that, join. So now let's try to my dashboard. Okay, so in dashboard, you can see there's a join code. As what I said a while ago, you need to enter the code and after that, join. So this is the quiz is tool. You have your recent activity here and the templates. So you can answer different subject here. And there's also a templates subjects, which is math, English, social studies, world languages, science, computer, career and technical education, creative arts and health, and physical education. So this tool is very useful, not just for teachers, but also for the learners. Okay, next, you can find a quiz here. You're going to search, for example, social science. So social science, here is the results. So you're going to choose kung ano ang gusto mo. For example, this one, practice, and you can start your quiz. So this one, so you're going to answer which one. And for example, it refers to a body of knowledge characterized by an objective to understand what society is and what does it does to people living inside. So it is social science. Now, let's try to go back here. In home, tapos choose or activity. So yung sinasagutan mo kanina ay makikita natin dito sa activity natin. And we can also see the class. So I haven't joined any class yet. And flashcards. So you can ask your teacher to assign some. And next, I'm going to show you how to create a quiz. Quiz. So here, so here, you're going to see assessment, presentations, video, passage, and flashcards. So for this time, I'm going to show you how to make an assessment using this tool. So here, there are types of test. We have multiple choice, fill in the blanks, multi-select, open-ended, true or false, and passage. So let's try multiple choice. So you're going to type your question here. For example, um, who who is our national hero? So you're going to type your option answer. First, we have Dr. Jose Rizal. We have Andres Bonifacio. Next, we have Emilio Aguinaldo. Next, we have Jose P. Laurel. Jose P. Laurel. So next thing is you need to select if it is single answer or multiple correct answers, but it is a single answer. So this is the correct answer, the Dr. Jose Rizal. And you're going to choose how many points? First 5 points on 20 seconds. And you can also tag topics here. And after that, you can save question. You can save your question. And you can add more questions, or you can create another questions. You can add from library. So next, we can search here in browsers resources kung ano ang gusto mo. For example, social studies and grade 10. Automatic, you can see here the different topics for grade 10. We have world history, civics and government, economics and geography, and so on. Next, we have here the library. You will see here the previously used, the shared with me, all activities, the collections, and the themes. So you can also see here the created by me, which is 0 pa, draft, ito yung sinasagutan ko kanina, and also the archive one. But you can choose what activity type you want. It's either assessment, presentations, interactive videos, passage, and flashcards. And you can also add your resources, your own resources. If you want to have an engaging activities in applicable activities for our students, you can use this tool, because by integrating quizzes into our school activities, educators can create a more engaging, effective, and personalized learning environment that benefits both teachers and for students, even because as all we know that the students have their own learning style. So as a teacher, you need to look and create unique idea. You'll become an effective teacher. So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much, and I hope you learned something from this demonstration. So use quizzes as your partner in teaching. Thank you. God bless.